believe say the genesis of the problem no every time I sign the contract with the players no. Say na kana GDO players I think that was the time that Kotoko had the bargaining power. Ko time na Samba on eba, time Ablo eba, time na idea Harry Ansumpu eba no. Ko they had their name elsewhere, but no more any deal like they have it right now. Scanner everybody you know, unza you can dollars na mami otifie, mi so bi otifie to da. Omo shede ehu sikani say is o say some by percent $5,000 $5,000 what cost this 54,625 Ghana cedis
510
that 54,625 Ghana cedis that's 546 million bosumi bia
na hope
Kotoko proposal no ADN 2,775 that's 327 million Kotoko meet no chia bosumi bia. All the mechanic or producer say A. But what kind of dollars and all the they are it to be. All the like it will be. But all the right now boys go say this is an amount of money and what's sort of pan. But you yourself say Kotoko nedo you know. Even doesn't music by can say me. Come sa abono down no say be say oswan. Who are there and my day? Yes. Kotoko is a big club and you cannot run Kotoko like the way are running seven periods. Some rich so maybe a park academy. Kotoko the greatest club whether like on terms of the Premier League and other trophies or Ghana. Champions League what did two, Ben what did two, my and Kotoko Champions League need two. Then the Ukra players no way to keep them. This amount of money boy. A dinner the class no more outside a chapro sao. Go and check the annual monthly salary of Nari Elali. You realize it's $5,000 and maybe you will say Nari Elali sponsors a crew on NB. Then you come down, go to Yanga, Tanzania, go to Semba, go to Azam, and check the amount of money that they pay those players. And that's what will attract you the best of players. And I don't want anybody to come and tell us, some by no will be a kwame. But this is a brother hopa. Chroma, I told a man for cars and we say, I read banana you'll be a man kwame. Una making no without the effort, a be aside in also na bekino and Kuanya. Some abana ko beda will be our kwame, Kade Kopam no anajo, from an equi. I did grab by the modern conquer training ground or Parliament contract already. Okoye. So they came in, they put that blitz going forward. No come here, but I don't know how they run the class in this country. Because you cannot bring somebody only league, you know, over 2 years. So when scout report India, men sign players, you know. Because players, I say when you go to a new surrounding, one, you need time to acclimatize to the surroundings. And as you need time, some people will come in, their first year come empha. It doesn't make them worse players. And it is for 1 year now, 2 years, I can say, no 1 year. Second year, far I'm on car because I'm a air funnel. Class will be say air panel. And it is you say player now all bottom. You are scouting report that told you about the player now. Kwame give him at least 3 years. Yajidio Kwame say what na bia kono ka ore sign no. For shame says well within these conditions some man ako. E ba sa wo club no and say be show no. Now mom say ujan aja ujan wide open. Now my player na e ma ka of 2 years be sign. O play himself for 2 years no. So I'm more can create the club Friday. Ako. And then Samba air hot cake. Now look at Samba there. How many clubs in even say East Africa and Samba MP? And the moment come out before got about give national team nana. So no more. Which platform, which team gave him that thing to play for the still national of Guinea? So I got to go on. Sure. But also say 2 years. About 1 year every. Right now, all banana more have kakra because no national team player. But right now, we're the national team player. And this has been happening with Kuala. Now for Uganda, no statistics against any moment. Before the one firm panel you be a more. So once you add value, no, now Brenton or say 7 periods, no be do a change the other man now. He don't ask for more. So if he knows if you are not ready to pay them the much amount of money for what they are demanding now, Kwame, yeah, they need forward. Because elsewhere, whether you like on a football, it's only few more outside, no. Ask yourself, let me Yamal, how many years now? Yeah, 18 years. Go to Barcelona. He is one of the highest paid players ever Barcelona, in world football. So come make some the man the platform or some the man akwenya or 18 years. The kwamo we say about 10 money mono. Or man ya PhD to in Real Madrid to buy abefa.
Empeno.
Come Real Madrid Yamal upo buka on bonebo.
In case only by Madrid empeno. Real
Madrid always one of the best players. Almost a figure. Never Barcelona captain. Zuba Yasa Barcelona captain pretend you can correct. Come the make I see now said it's not always the case whereby some contract and maybe America the man who got called for the past 5 years. How or contract air short. Peter we do aqua say no be 18 years. Or no poor was about 3 years or so, 1 or 4 years.
3 years.
3 years. Is there also? Kwame, how do you sign 18-year-old boy to give him 3 years? How? Someone under the same time as someone. And because someone agreed to extend, sent 1 year to man, what would have happened? Who was a KB and element minutes before I negotiate? No matter, no matter, time make a camera or go at the bomb free. That be happening. So going forward for me, they have to learn from these mistakes on my way. Okay. Now come to the supporters. Look, key part supporters in a year.
What's the name?
Key part supporters in a year.
Key part supporters.
A year.
Key part supporters.
I
know what you say.
Social media is not matter. And no mucha bomb man for. So what can I say about Kohoa? No, do attempt. Kwame, the idea wakuma friends ADH no Kwame Boban and correct but Kwame how do you sit at the comfort of your room and be happy when the club is losing the best players for Kwame for peanuts Sabi let me use that word Kwame a peanut neighbor you understand my point of view Kwame a peanut Ghana here near she has a ton say Kotoko say how many years ni? Kwame, tire make how many FIBA no? Neba, yeto manua, yeto player from Ghana Premier League to Tunisia. Kwa for 1 million how many years ni? And tire the same year you need go be equal actually. Kwame, let it sink in. Elsewhere, the most expensive player is players no. But beer could be an give increase it. Bear the beer and decrease Kwame. So how do you tell us when you peanut? When you compare compare to a Crote come here around 2 10 11 12 about. How many 30 years? Now yes, there are top players 300,000, 200,000, 70,000 best players come and you're telling me say you peanut Kwame. How do you run football in modern day age? What class that you're competing with, they go and they send the best where Kotoko no about community cup. Now goes as about the capital league boy. Time look at the barrel. Every Sundance no. Even they went to Portugal, Rio Ave and sign a player to their team Brazil to Sundance. And they very early after PM was Canada Sweden. Almost top flight no. One of the top scorers 25 matches, 18 goals. To their team. So how they run their football, the amount that's involved. I'm told Hussein El Shahad $5 million I'm told Hussein El Shahad from Al Ain. Now years later, they've increased that amount of money to go in for foreign player. That shows you the football ecosystem called NCHO. And they know your story. What can I say? Say Kotoko for continuity in Africa. Almost always every cup or the league. To go back to Kwame to add to number. Come to me, yes, don't go add to the numbers. All got called born down on one of a Kalamwa. Who what about my ten boy? So who be Joe? Who is a Kojo? So I'm Madambo.
I'm your home champion.
Kwame, the league give you Omnimbo. Omnimbo, no, Omnimbo, But as yourself say, I'm going to say, my mother boy, and she will work and tell you, home and away, what are the results? And it's 6-1. And real combination camp, when you chamber legal, no review. And second tier, and no review. So if it was to be the Champions League, what would have happened? So that I'm talking about it. If the supporters say, or when you keep part of the supporters, they keep in their numbers. Everything beyond their number one source of income come air from the supporters. You yourself say, idea time I call it why were the European class crying? Because no one is able to people there. Stadium about virtual world supporters.
Okay.
And because the people go pay stadium into they were losing revenue from supporters. To me, key part of supporting requirements I hear. Let your money count. Scan by and carpet. I'm one.